Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to successfully link a battle.net account to YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and go to youtube.com. Now once we're here, make sure to sign into your account and then click onto your account on the top right hand corner of the page. Then from here, navigate and click into settings. And now on the left hand side, we've got different tabs. Click onto the connected apps tab. Then from here to the right, it's going to say connected apps. Expand your experience, connect YouTube with other apps and watch more easily. So scroll down and look for battle.net. As you can see, here it is here, second on the list on my screen. So simply go ahead and click on connect. Then from here, it's going to say connect accounts and watch approved events and videos for a chance to win in-game rewards. So go ahead and click onto connect and then a little pop-up, connect. Continue to connect accounts, continue again, and now a little pop-up's going to appear where you're going to have the option to connect your battle.net or sign into your battle.net account to connect. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my details here. Okay, so once you are signed in, I'm going to go ahead and allow this. Allow. Now it's going to redirect you back here, and then it should say accounts connected. From here, watch approved events and videos for a chance to get in-game rewards. So click OK. And now if I refresh this page here, it's going to say battle.net and to the right it is connected.